Hi friends, welcome once again to TTB. This is the third module of how to design a building using Indian code in a step-by-step manner. This is ETABS 03. So continuing from where we left, we have defined the columns over here and have placed in the grids. And now we will be looking how to define the beams and placing over the beams. Here we go. Just give our define here. Section properties, this is got to be take frame sections and define the new beams over here. This is going to be rectangular concrete, yes. Just give it as B, let us this be as 200 cross 450. The material being M30, so this has got to be 450 and this is 200. And over here in reinforcement we got to change it as beam. Just look at carefully over here. The car for beams being 30 and 30 over here. The materials being HYSD 500 at similar areas. Just give it as a in property modifiers. We are going to release the torsion because we don't have a design for torsion. So in order to nullify that, we are making it as 0 points and number of zeros 1, okay and okay. Yes, we have defined 200 cross 450 beam. So just looking carefully at the framing plan, let all the horizontal beams being 200 cross 450 and vertical being 200 cross 600. So while defining, just give it as a copy of property, you'll get the same thing, be 200 cross 600 and everything is going to be same except for changing over here. Give OK and there it is, beam 200 cross 600 has been successfully defined. Just give OK and draw beams, draw beams. This option is available over here. Just select that. Over here, select beam 200 cross 450. This is going to be continuous, no offsets are there. It's going to be straight lines. It is better to draw always in plan, that is for story 1, okay. And over here, it's all stories, yes. As I said earlier, we'll be going with the horizontal beams, that's 200 cross 450. Always ensure that you are near to it. Just start from the grid. Just click over here and right click to remove that. So similarly, we get a dot for all things. Just look at the 3D view for confirmation whether all the beams have come or not. Yes, and as I said earlier, it's better to save the drawing time to time. So just go to the plan. Story 1, yes, we can even go to story 2 and draw the same thing. This will be visible. So as to quickly draw, we'll be drawing it like this. Always ensure that you pick the center point correctly. In walls, you gotta start from here. Only then the behavior of the beam will be right. So we have almost successfully defined and placed all the 200 cross 450 beams, and now it's shown with 200 cross 600 beams. Similarly, just placing them, ensure that you always select the grid point like this. Always, warnings are a tedious process to clear, and moreover, it's going to take a toll of your time. In our field, we're going to be having immense pressure. We'll be dealing with them. So always don't take chances and do it perfectly as and when required. For your information, you can just go to view option, draw snap option. We can actually select the joints, midpoint, grid intersection, so on for us to help. So selecting intersection, okay, apply close. While drawing beams over here, there was gonna be some intersection points. I'll let you know in a while. So drawing the columns over here, just complete them. And now this is almost ready. This option is called a span where we can do the drawing. So always ensure that you open the 3D view and ensure that it is all connected and you have never missed any beams. Okay, so the next step will be to define the slabs. It's going to define section properties, slab, that is deck sections. So add a new property. Now let us go to slab directly over here. Define section properties, slab sections. Just add a new slab. Let this slab be as slab 125. So the material as usual is going to be M30. So what is the difference between shell and membrane first? A shell is a property where all the loads are transferred to the corners. That is, if this is the slab, all the load is transferred over here. That is concentrated at the column. This is applicable only to flat slabs. Whereas in membrane, the UDL will be applying the theorem of trapezoidal, so that all the loads are transferred to the beam and from then on to the column and to the foundation directly. Now 125 slab has been defined, just give OK. Let us define another slab of 150, so just add a copy of it. Rename this slab as slab 150. So just change over here and that's it, it's gonna be ready, give OK. So how to draw a slab? Just go draw beam flow objects, draw a rectangular slab. In this type of slab you gotta select 125 over here. Just select the weight and drag it. There is always another option that is called as drawing irregular slabs. You can just view it over here. Draw a floor plan. So and the thing is this case is that you're gonna select the point, pick each and every point. Always don't try to jump between two nodes. That is from over here to here. You can actually rest over here and then go over here and then right click. So that's it. Slab 125 is there. Another shortcut while drawing slab is just select this and drag a big drop. So when ending over here, you have drawn the slab. But the thing over here is that we can see that while selecting this slab, it has got 5 shells. That is for all the 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so while we are selecting this, all 5 shells are selected. That is, it is a single slab. So the loads are not going to go to these interior beams. So what is the solution for this? Is select all the beams surrounding it. So while selecting all the beams surrounding it, we can go for the option edit shells, divide shells. Let us select quickie cut flow objects and select a frame objects and give OK. So you can see now is that each and every slab has been separated. Always ensure that you check over here what are all selected. So that will result in n number of errors. So we have done till now and only this slab is left. So just draw a slab over there. And that is select as slab 125 throughout. You're not gonna use any of these 150 slabs. I'll show you why it is. And also note that I've changed it to one story over here. So in 3D when you look at it, it's gonna be only at the story where that was previously placed. So story 1 is over here, whereas in story 2 it's not over there. So the thing is that you're going to draw over here as well. Always be careful because overlapping may occur, which will result in warnings, which will in turn result to none of flow transferring to the members. And now just look at the 3D and the model is ready till now. Always ensure that we don't have anything at the base. So this is going to be one story and delete everything over here. And now in 3D, this is what the model looks like. So till today, this is going to be the same. For the application of loads on the beams and slabs, just click at the next video in this page. Please subscribe this channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.